Guys, here is the one of the best featured phones of Nokia 150. It's a cheap phone around $30. There are the two variants, dual SIM and single SIM. So it has a big battery up to 25 days on standby and up to 22 hours calling, camera with LED, FM radio, video player, music player, um, search, game, SD support up to 32 gigabytes, and micro USB connector. So and here we go. 2.4-inch display. This is the white color. There is black too. We have a micro USB power adapter and 120 milliampere battery. It can last for a week. It's a normal use for sure. There is a certification, warranty card, and user manual. So dual SIM, normal SIM cards. Here is the micro SD slot, LED flash, 0.3 megapixel camera, and the external loudspeaker. Not as earpieces. Yeah. So good build quality. 3.5 headphone jack, micro USB port, microphone, and let's power on. Keypad light too. Big display, as you can see. Okay, here we go. Good phone. Bluetooth 2. Alarm clock. 5 alarm clocks. Calendar. Radio. Needs wired headphones. Messaging. Music. Player. It can play MP3. Here is the LED flash. Brilliant game, snake camera. It needs SD card. You can save the pictures, gallery, video gallery, Bluetooth. Louder speaker, as you can hear. One wallpaper, glass screen. That is this mean you can see the clock and date. I'll show you. This is the glass. You can see the clock. Here is the model. Just amazing phone. I like it. So compared to the Nokia 130, you can see the big difference on screen. This is the 1.7 inch display. This is the 2.4 inch. No camera. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed my video. Subscribe for more videos and see you on next one.